Hello pretty people of the internet, my name is Sakshi and this is my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you all step by step on how you can manifest anything into your life. Since we are in a new year, I'm pretty sure so many of you guys want to manifest certain things, and trust me, every single thing is gonna come true. I am manifesting that for you all. Anyway, just a little disclaimer. I am not a manifestation guru. I don't teach it to anybody. You guys just keep asking me on Instagram to make a video on manifestation. So here it is. I think I am able to manifest things pretty easily into my life. So here comes this video for you all. So if you are extremely new to manifestation, then this video can be a really easy and like a really fun video that you can watch and implement. Also, the fun part is I'm gonna share with you all step by step on how you can manifest anything into your life in this year, or like ever, to be honest. So now without me rambling anything else, let's just get started with this video. Okay, so the first and probably the most important thing is to know exactly what you want. If you are not really clear of what you want, then how will you communicate that with the universe? And if the universe don't know what you want, how are you gonna achieve that? You have to be crystal clear on what you want, otherwise you're gonna just manifest random things into your life, and that is not good. Also, whether you believe this or not, you are manifesting every single second of your day, and we are all manifesting certain things into our life, into our existence, and into this world. When you already know that you are manifesting things, might as well try and be extremely clear of what you want to manifest. Now once you are done with thinking exactly what you want and you are extremely clear about it, next thing that you want is to communicate this with the universe or with the God or whatever you want to call that. So for this, what you want to do is plan out the manifestation techniques that you're going to use. I personally like to use scripting, affirmations and visualization. These are like the main manifestation techniques that I use. There is also 333 method, 666 method, like there are like so many manifestation techniques, but these are the ones that I like to do, and you can totally search for this on the internet, on YouTube. Really nice place to search for manifestation techniques. So once you know all the manifestation techniques that you are going to use for your manifestation, then create a schedule. Now you don't want to be extremely rigid with this, but still try to manifest in a particular interval. So let's say you are manifesting today, and today is what, a Tuesday. So what you want to do is manifest maybe after one day or a week or a month. For me personally, I like to do it on every single Sunday. So on Sundays, after I am done with my reset routine, then I like to just snuggle into my bed and just like turn on candles and just dim the lights in the room, just create a really cozy and fun vibe, and then script and just like do my manifestation techniques. So what you want to do is just like think when you want to manifest and try to be like very consistent with this. Just like everything else in our lives, consistency applies here also. So make sure that you are consistent with your manifestation techniques. Obviously, if you are using the technique of writing a letter to the universe, then you really do want to like read it as frequently as you want to. But other than that, when you are doing things like scripting, you really want to be like very consistent with it. So that's the thing that you want to do once you are done with planning the manifestation techniques that you're gonna use. Okay, so this next one is, I'm pretty sure 90% of the people do this whenever they are setting themselves up for a new year. You are gonna make a vision board. So you can either create a digital vision board or a physical one. I have both. Initially I wanted to just create a digital one, but then I realized I can obviously just like change my wallpaper to something else, and that way my vision board is just gonna be gone. So I didn't want it to do that, and that's when I decided to create a physical vision board as well. So here's what it looks like. This is my vision board for 2022. So all these things on my vision board are something that I can easily manifest in a year, and that way I am not like being extremely impractical, or I'm gonna start believing that I won't be able to achieve these things, or like it's impossible to achieve. You really don't want to have those negative thoughts whatsoever. So that's what I would suggest, is to just create a vision board. It's preferable if you can create one in like the physical form, but again, it's totally up to you. Whatever works for you, do that. Okay, so once you are done with your vision board, what you want to do is look at this every single day, no matter what. Try to look at it in the morning. I like to do that, and it's like very easy. When you just wake up and you are done with your morning routine, just like look at the vision board and try to visualize the life that you want to have. And yeah, that's like super easy. You can just do it every single morning. Try to do these things on days when you are more happy and you have like higher vibrations. That totally helps. Try not to do these things, and especially whenever you are like doing your manifestation techniques, never do them when you are unhappy or sad. Always have like very high or like good vibes. Also, if you are someone who scripts, then make sure that you're never touching your scripting journal whenever you are sad, because if you are having negative vibes, then you're totally gonna transfer that onto your journal and you don't want to do that. Okay, so the next thing that I want to tell you is to really believe in what you want to achieve. Like, never be like, oh, if I will be able to achieve this or not. Like, you do not want to have those like contrasting thoughts. So you don't want to be like one day you are being extremely like positive and like very high vibes, and then the next day you are like, no, I can't achieve this. You really don't want to have those contrasting thoughts. Just make sure that you believe whatever you want to achieve. So every single thing on your vision board, you have to know that you can achieve those things, and believing is a really big part of manifesting. So make sure that you're doing that as well. So now you believe that you can manifest. So a very easy way to make yourself believe that you can manifest things is to start manifesting smaller things. Like, let's say you want to manifest a really big thing into your life. Let's say you want to manifest a job. So if you're just starting out, you don't just want to go ahead and just manifest a job because you have never manifested before or even tried. So you don't believe yourself that much. So what you want to do is start by manifesting something very small, like a meal or like a hug from a particular person or like your family members or whatever. I personally feel that manifesting smaller things is way easier. Also, I'm extremely sorry for this background noise. I just can't do anything about it. So what you want to do is try and manifest something very small which you know and you truly believe that you can manifest. Even if you don't believe that you can, just make yourself believe that, because manifesting small things is very easy. So that's like a really fun and easy way of starting your manifestation journey. The more you will start manifesting smaller things, the more you will start believing yourself, and that way you will eventually start manifesting bigger things into your life. So this last one is something that I've seen people not do that much or like do it that nicely, and as a result they are not able to manifest what they actually want in their lives. So now that you have an idea of exactly what you want and you have manifested it, you have done your scripting, you have done your visualization, you are in positive vibes, you are raising your vibes as much as you can. So what you want to do is take actions. Now, taking action is very important. It's probably the only thing that really matters. And trust me on this one, but if you will do everything else and not take action, then you won't be able to manifest, because manifestation is not magic. Like, things are just gonna come into existence out of nowhere, and that's really not how it works. You like truly have to take actions, and then things will manifest into your life, but you gotta take the action, because if you're not taking action, then how are you even expecting that things will just come out of nowhere? So make sure that you take your actions, and just make sure that you're doing whatever you can in your power to bring things into your existence. So basically just take action, because without taking any action you're not gonna achieve things, and then you're just gonna be like, I'm not a manifester. But the problem lies in you not taking actions. And yeah, so with that, I just want to end this video right here. I am gonna tell you that please take actions. Taking action is like a very crucial part of manifesting, and make sure that you are doing that. And I'm really sorry to break this to you, but that is how it works. And I'm gonna see you all in my next video. If you want a part 2 or like anything else related to manifestation, just comment down below and let me know. And I will be very happy to make a video on that for you guys. And I'm gonna see you all in my next video. And if you like this video, then please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell button. Give this video a like. Help me reach my manifestations as well, and get this YouTube channel monetized. So help me out with that, and I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye bye.